Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the MecArmy Rechargeable flashlight. And this flashlight, it's a pretty small flashlight. It weighs about 1.3 ounces, maybe a hair more. And so it's very much a pocket flashlight. And it's also rechargeable, and it has a pretty serious, it puts out a decent amount of light at 160 lumens, according to the flashlight. Alright, so let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Now, one thing that I did notice that kind of didn't make me super happy was it's a rechargeable flashlight that didn't come with a cord. Now, I wasn't 100% sure what was going on with that, but it didn't thrill me. Now, it takes the common cord, so it's not a huge deal, but it's still, unless like this thing has a cord somewhere, unless there's a cord like built into the lanyard. Let's see. Alright, there doesn't appear to be like a secret charging cable built into the lanyard anywhere. And we have a little key ring thing. I'm assuming to go through here, if you are so inclined. Alright, so let's take a look at the instructions and see what it says. Alright, so primary features. Let me spread this out so hopefully y'all can see it too. Alright. Blah blah blah, rechargeable, 3 LEDs, primary LED, 3 selectable modes, white, red, and UV, 3 primary LED modes, instant access to different functions. Maybe there's some instructions on how to do this. Okay. From off, lightly depress for on. Okay, I can do this. It's currently off. So I press it and it turns on. It's not too bad. Reasonably bright. Alright. From any mode, depress and hold the switch to cycle through modes white, red, and UV. Release to stay in that mode. Alright, so from any mode, and I'm going to try and do this where I don't blind y'all or the camera. I hold it down and it cycles through that. Okay. So that's cool. So you get the red, you get the UV light, and you get the main light. And let's see. Alright. Let's see what else we got. Red, lightly press on and off to flash. Okay, hold on. Let's see what this says. Alright. White. Lightly depress the switch to change brightness. Medium, low, high, and off. Alright, so medium, low, high, and off. It's kind of cool. So let's switch to the red. Okay, so we're on the red light now. And lightly depress switch to on, off, and flash. Okay. Alright, so for the UV light, we just have on and off. Okay. I don't know how super useful those are going to be, but that's kind of cool. It's a nifty thing. And the flashlight's not super inexpensive. It runs like, I want to say it runs about 30 bucks. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. And they come in a bunch of different colors. I got the black one. There's like a black and a brown and a green and some other colors. Alright, is there anything else that we care about? Warning, do not point the light at human or animal eyes. Do not look directly into the UV light. Do not permit children to use it unsupervised. Alright, so for charging, there's this little thing right here that pops up. And it mentions to carefully open and remove the thing. And I think you sort of lift it up. It lifts straight up. Like so. It lifts like up and out. Like this. And it takes just a micro USB cable to charge it. I'm pretty disappointed though that I didn't get one with my flashlight. I feel like there should have. Does it say? Rechargeable with any USB port device. Patented. Blah blah blah. Quick charge in under 90 minutes. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, so it's kind of a nifty flashlight, and I don't know how practical the red and the ultraviolet lights are, but I'm a sucker for a gadget, so yeah, that is one thing that I kind of liked. I don't know. What do y'all think? Have you tried one of these out before? Do you like them? Do you not like them? I kind of like the fit in your hand, like the flatness of it. It's kind of cool. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have anything that you think I should check out, also let me know. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.